look back to, I don't know, 4th grade, 5th grade. We used to do some long division long before we were allowed to use our calculator to figure these things out. So let's just go through a refresher here. So the first thing I do is I say, how many times does 12 go into 2? Well, it can't, right? So how many times does 12 go into 25? I believe that's 2 times, and I put a 24 here. Okay, subtract the 4 from 5. 1, bring down the 5. All right, now I say, how many times does 12 go into 15? Once. So that's 12. 3, and then I bring the 9 down, so I got a 39. Ask myself again, how many times does 12 go into 39? 3 times, 36. And I don't like these, but I have a remainder. All right. So now let's make a little bit of a stretch here. Since we're working with polynomials, how about if I turn the 12 into a polynomial? Let's call it x plus 2. Make sense? And then we'll do 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 9. And now I'm going to go through the same kind of thinking. How many times does x plus 2 go into, let's go ahead and look at this first, 2x cubed and 5x squared. And I think I'll just help you out by putting a 2x squared there. So I realize that 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. And 2x squared times 2 is 4x squared. Notice it's the same kind of thinking as over here. Oh. Notice that 24, where the 2 and the 4 show up to the right. So let's subtract. And now over here, I'm going to have 1x squared, and then I'm going to bring down the 5x. Very similar to what I did there. So now, let's see. I believe it's just a 1x. So x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. And now let's subtract 3x and bring my 9 down. Very similar to what I did to the left. Ask myself again. All right, it looks like I got a 3x, x, so 3. All right, now it's 3 times x. So that gives me a 3x. 3 times 2 gives me 6. And I got a remainder of 3. So what this says to the left, what this is really saying is 2,559 equals 12 times 213 with a remainder of 3. Likewise, on the right, the inside function, 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 9, that equals x plus 2, and we got 2x squared plus x plus 3 plus a remainder of 3. So just working some symbols here. The original portion, that was my function, so f of x. It equals, we divided x plus 2 into it, so the divisor, d of x, so that's the divisor. And we got an answer. If you remember, we always called that the quotient times q of x. So that's the quotient. Plus, what we had in the end was the remainder.